This is the passenger elevator in the north end of Salling in Aarhus, Denmark. This video will also include a sunset view from Salling Rooftop. This is a retake of the elevator at the northern end of Salling in Aarhus, Denmark. We'll get views shortly. The button for -1 has been ripped out. We're back at level 6. Now let's get views from Salling Rooftop. Here's a view from this part of Salling Rooftop. From here you can see the Domkirke, as well as many of the buildings in Aarhus Ø. Over there's the lighthouse, tallest building in Denmark, and Nevites. And that's the roof car park for Salling. Over there's Comwell, amongst other high-rise buildings of Aarhus. There's Minute 6, which soon will be the tallest, and Docket. There's other parts of the rooftop and the tower of Aarhus Rådhus. Over there towards Byggeri. That's your rainbow panorama, top of the Aarhus Museum, and roof of Retake. And the prism on the border of Silkeborg in Viborg. And over there is Vor Folkekirke. You get amazing views from the top of Salling. Oh, you can also see towards Mols in the distance. and parts of Aarhus Harbour. And nice sunset. And at this end of Salling Rooftop, you can look into parts of Buskuren, where most of the buses run. There's St. Marcus Kirk and the Aarhus Botanic Gardens. You can also see some of the buildings part of Aarhus University. Back to the elevator. It's hard to see the indicator from outside whilst it's daytime. Says the lift's closed, but it's clearly accessible. Level -2. Thank you for watching.